Wait, let's play this sample one more time.
You sell do-rags. I got lemonade.
Is it good?
You sell do-rags, Bow Wow. I got
Is it
lemonade.
good? Hey, look, you want to know what's funny,
I
Soulja?
got lemonade.
Does anybody have any context for what was going on?
I think they have like a battle, right? Like
Yo, they did have a
beef.
battle, and it's actually one of the more entertaining verses to date. You know, it's the one with the best rewatchability. Akimbo, Soulja Boy's Lemonade is the first lemonade ever made, so it's actually a wine as well. Yeah, SouljaBoy.com.
What are they called, bro?
SouljaBoyDoesLemonade.com.
Oh, that's crazy.
You sell do-rags. I got lemonade.
I need a case.
Oh my god.
I need a case.
Yo, I found one.
Wait, they're out of stock?
I found
Where
one.
did you find it at? That's a exotic pop distribution. That's a business. That's a So who's gonna play their whatever they did first? Wait, first of all, have you guys ever made any music timed up against the clock like that?
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna say that actually I did this before with Quinn, where we fucked with him doing a beatbox thing, and that actually became our collab. Oh wow. No, you're not.
I'm not muted.
Oh no,
Okay.
you didn't. No.
Are you muted, Quinn? Let's.
People keep saying that. Oh, all right. Why are people saying they can't hear me?
You're back.
Because.
Okay.
All right, you're good now.
Oh, shit.
We're back. Ain't no thing. So
Yeah,
Yes.
I have a track called Spectral Range, which I made in like 30 minutes in a sample challenge.
oh wow. Okay.
And then I
so,
added more to it, but the chord progression, the concept was the same.
so this isn't a new concept to you guys. Like, you know, did people watching change it a little bit?
I mean, I'm not too comfortable in it, but
I think it's just I'm really tired. It's the main thing.
All right. Well, who's
look
volunteering to
into
go
my-
first?
this
What'd you say,
dude
John?
is not. This is like that. This guy is like playing us over. He's saying, "Oh yeah, I'm tired. Oh yeah, I'm making some bullshit," and then he'll come and smash me with his fucking beat right now.
Yeah. He's really playing it coy.
He's fucking,
I don't know.
cheeky. Play it. Let's go.
Who wants to play? Who wants to play first?
It's Quinn. Let's go.
All right. Wait, me? Play mine?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, wait.
Can you share your screen?
Maybe.
There we go.
Maybe.
I put
maybe
it-
first say
I
how do you use sample.
So I stretched it out, and I put it in a vocoder. Where's the vocoder? I put it in vocal synth, and then I made chords with it. So it sounds like this.
Wow. And an outro.
Well, There's not like many effects in it, but you know.
No, that was crazy.
I didn't have time to add white noise. I did not have time for white noise or sweeps or anything. I'm on the move. I can't add white noise. I'm in my car making this.
Damn, you made that in the car in 25 minutes. That's impressive, bro. How? Brownies and Lemonade just asked how.
Oh.
John, man, you ready?
Yeah, so I also made chords from the vocal. I think that's like the first thing everyone does whenever they get a sample. So yeah, my chords sound like this.
Is it good?
That's mine.
Hell yeah.
Wow. Wait, Jake, can you play the sample again? We came a long way from these two.
Do-rags. I got lemonade.
Is it good?
That was the sample,
You
y'all.
sell do-rags, Bow Wow. I got
Is it
lemonade.
good? Hey, look, you wanna know what's funny,
I
Soulja?
got lemonade.
Now, QB, can you play yours again, please?
Play mine again. Oh yeah.
And that's what it turned into.
I can play without vocals in. It's like a Jersey song if you play it without the vocals in. Should have made a Jersey song.
Drop that ass real quick. Yo, he's driving though. He's driving.
Man, you're like really solid at multitasking.
What is this man's doing, man?
Back up.
You're not good at backing up,
I'm driving. One hand up.
Hey, John, can you play yours one more time?
Yeah. So I tried to U vocal into this, right?
Okay.
And then that sound became these chords. I played them.
Is it good?
Etc. Yeah. Yeah, it's always fun to work with. Like, it's always fun because like shit like this, it forces you to be creative, right? Which is always good, I think.
No, that's.
I'm running really fast right now.
Yeah, that motherfucker is like, was it Keemstar? I don't think he has any idea how fast that dude is. He's fast as fuck, boy.
That's his fuck, boy. Yo, that was amazing, y'all. I really appreciate y'all coming on the chat. Our time is about done here. IMANU, Quinn, do you guys have anything y'all dropping soon? Any announcements, shout outs where y'all want to?
Yeah, so I guess we are dropping our collab in about 3 weeks, so that is pretty epic. And I want to shout out the Killer Bean Zone, and I want to shout out my fucking Patreon because it's epic.
For sure. Oh, wait, the collab that you guys played in the remix run, right?
Yeah.
All right. QB, man. Talk to us.
Oh, what am I doing?
Yeah,
Shout
like,
out someone, bro.
Shout out.
Oh, shout out someone.
Coming out.
Oh, I have a song coming out soon. It's a Bali funk song for people who like that. Made it a while ago, I think a year and a half ago at this point. But kind of cool, I guess. I don't know. Coming out in August. Also, on I think roughly around the same time I'm releasing mine, there's an artist named Heresy who's released a pretty crazy single also, so check his out.
Wait, say that name again.
Heresy.
Heresy.
I've done a song with him before. Called Holding.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like what?
no, I see it in the
It's
chat now.
HERISSE.
Yeah, Heresy. Cool.
Yeah.
We gotta play.
Someone was saying my window was broken. What do they mean?
Your car window.
Oh, my car windows? Oh
Yeah.
no. They're just they're really clean. They're just so clean you can see through them perfectly.
Yo, chat. Everybody, thank y'all for joining us. This has been B&L Beat Smash. IMANU, Quiet Bison. Check us out again. Make sure y'all smash that sub. We do this every other week. Talk to y'all on the other side.
Peace.